Hi, my name's Brett Todd and I'm the National Parts Manager for Mazda Motors of New Zealand. We chose Greentree product because it was fit for purpose. New Zealand marketplace is full of Mazdas, which is good from our side of the business, and our systems have to cater for that request on a day-to-day basis. So what happens today may not happen tomorrow. Every day is different and we have to be ready for it. It means we carry 25,000 lines here with access to 55,000 lines in Australia and a further 1 million lines available to us out of Japan. And from our perspective, the systems that we've implemented here allow us to run our business in a fast and an efficient manner, which is critical to success nowadays. A car would come into a dealership. The technician will then look over the vehicle. He will then make the decision on what parts need to be replaced. If they do not have the parts or there are some specialist parts required, the order is transmitted through to Greentree, and then from there the order is receipted into our warehousing system. Greentree passes the order through to the warehouse. The warehouse system then checks the stock, make sure it is all on hand. If by chance it's not, we place an urgent order on the closest source for that part if we don't carry it in the country. The closest source for New Zealand, of course, would be Australia. We can check their stock on a live basis, so the order would be placed there. That part would come in 3 days' time, receipted in through our warehousing system, invoiced out through the Greentree system and delivered to the dealer. The system does what it needs to do. It has the flexibility of doing more, which is great, which means our business is set for the future. We're not having to look around at potentially other systems. We can make continuous improvements, and in the end it's all about moving stock from one point to the next in the quickest possible and most efficient time. I see this as a system that can actually be passed on to other people in a similar industry, and it can interface with pretty much any system that we've come across. And the decision to use Greentree as the primary system of choice has been a good one for us.